What's the meaning of construction site? Construction site. Construction site.
Construction site. Construction site. A construction site is an area where a building or other structure is being built or repaired. It typically includes heavy machinery, scaffolding, workers, and building materials. The purpose of a construction site is to transform a piece of land into a finished structure that can be used for a specific purpose, such as a home, commercial building, or bridge. During construction, the site may experience noise, dust, and disruption to nearby traffic. Upon completion, the site will have transformed from an empty plot of land to a fully functional and useful structure.